In this video, I'm going to teach you how to get Ignition Origin Deepwoken. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In order to get this ignition, you will have two options. The first one, which is recommended to most people, all that you have to do is on any character, you go to layer 2. So go over to layer 2, and in there, you will be able to talk to Alpha. Alpha is going to task you with saving FC. So all that you have to do after you talk to Alpha and you get the information needed to save FC is that you go ahead and look for him. Once you find FC, you will have one of the dialogue options to save him. Immediately upon saving FC, just return to Alpha and you will be granted the Ignition Delver Origin. So all that you have to do on any character, go to layer 2, save FC and return to Alpha in the Union base. In short, you do the Arc Water step, but you don't need to get Arc Water. So it's essentially cut short. So as soon as you do this and you save FC, returning to Alpha, you will be granted the Origin. Alternatively, the secondary method that you have is also obtained from Orion's quest. For this one in particular, you must first do his quest by clearing out the Summer Company enemies, and then return to him and report back. After that, talk to him again, and you will actually just unlock the Origin. So all that you have to do is complete Orion's quest, and you will also be granted the Ignition Delver Origin. So you can choose whichever option you prefer, the secondary one by completing Orion's quest, or the first one by saving FC. Like I said, for this one, it's just like doing the Arc Water step, but you don't need to get Arc Water and you aren't required to go to Delta in the overworld. Simply talking to Alpha, being tasked with saving FC will do, and you will be granted the Origin as the reward. So pick whichever option is best for you. I hope I was able to help you on how to get Ignition Origin Deepwoken. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.